Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I have Enclosure 2.5 inches hard drive Enclosure, and we're gonna do unboxing of this Enclosure and then see what we get inside. So you can use SSD hard drive or you can use the normal laptop hard drive 2.5 inches, and you can use this hard drive into this Enclosure to make an external hard drive and store your data and use it as external drive. So this I got it from Take a Lot. It wasn't very expensive. It was, I think so, 220 rand. The link in this is in the description. You can check it out. So right now I'm just gonna open this box and then see what is the quality of this product and what we get inside. So I'm gonna use my blade. So keep them inside. It's quite tight in the box, but anyway, okay, this is an Enclosure we have, and it's like just like that. Okay, so this is the support for the hard drive, and it's supposed to have a cable inside in here. Is it? So here I'm gonna put an SSD hard drive into this Enclosure. So you can install the hard drive just like that. But before you put the cover up, just like that, you can use this in the middle. Now it's going to provide some support for hard drive, and then that's how it's going to look. Open the cable. This is the S5 connector, and there we go. This is your external hard drive. So that's how you make an external hard drive of your old laptop hard drive, and you can extract the data and you can use it, format it and use it as external storage. And what is that? And actually I don't find any use of this, so but anyway we get it for free, and that's it. Thank you.